Hello everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about the linear function part 15, the application of linear functions. Okay, that is the continue of part 14. If you haven't done the part 14, please go back to do it. I just don't want to make the video too long, so I separate it. So it's a totally part 14. So make sure you watch part 14 before you proceed. All right, let's see a question here. We got a truck transporting beet and potatoes, and the density of beet is 720, and then the density of potato is 760. The total mass of beet and potato is 12,000 kilograms. Okay, we need what? We need to write equations of a relation. Okay, so again, it's the equation of relationship. So if we want to write in equations, we have to making an equal signs, and then to both sides will be equal. Okay, and then what equal to what? We can see what we have here. We have a density equal to mass over volumes. I assume you know these things already. This is grade 9 science. Okay, so if you don't know these things, I will give you a quick review here. The density is how dense the object is. Mass is how heavy it is, and then the volume is how big is it. Okay, so we know the density equal to mass divided by volumes. At the same time, we know the mass equal to density times volumes here. Okay, so just cross multiply here. All right, m equal to d times v here. Think about this question. We want to make them same. So we know the total mass of beet and the potatoes going to equal to 12,000 kilograms. That means the 12,000 kilograms will be the total, okay? Total mass. What we need? We need the potato mass plus the beet mass. Okay, so if we have these things, and then we can have the equations. Okay, then what is mass of potatoes? We don't know. What else we know? We know the mass of the density of potato is 760 kilogram per cubic meters, and then we also know the volumes of potato is a p. That means our 760 times the p. That's the density. That's the v. So we got to have a mass of potato. Make sense? Okay, so the same reasons we can using the B, which is the volume of beet, times the density of beet, which is 720 times the B, which is the density and the volumes. Now we have a mass of potatoes plus a mass of beet is going to equal to mass of the total. Okay, now that is how to set up our relationship. So if we simplify this, equal to 760p plus 720 b equal to 12,000. Now that is it's not the general forms, but we can easily convert into general forms. Okay, that is the linear relationship. That means in order to keep this number, if there's more potatoes, there must be less beet. As there's more beet, there must be less potatoes. Okay, now that is how to writing up a relationship of functions. Okay, so I hope you understand. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will try to answer your question in my next videos. If you like my videos and then learn something from it, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you for watching.